QueBIT is a leader in data analytics, advanced analytics, focused on financial and operational performance management. Our goal is to help our clients transform their processes and maximize their profitability by leveraging their data to deliver truly impactful results. And we've chosen IBM Planning Analytics as a platform for all types of business modeling. We've landed on the platform because it gives us enormous flexibility and performance, which ultimately leads to our clients having a better experience. At Stein Mart, we've implemented IBM Planning Analytics to solve their reporting needs, their planning needs, and their unique business modeling needs.
Stein Mart is a national specialty retailer. The difficulties we were having is we produce a lot of reports in Excel. This is a problem. We're inefficient. I don't want accountants and I don't want analysts spending time creating reports. I want them looking at them, interpreting them, and helping drive decisions. We were looking at multiple solutions, and the thing that really attracted me to IBM was their investment they're making in analytics, predictive analytics, artificial intelligence. In 6.5 weeks, we were able to be up and running from nothing to actually being able to get our financial reports right out of planning analytics. Now that we have the solution, the speed and flexibility is tremendous. So if we need to make a change, we make a change in one place, and instantaneously, we can now produce those reports just by pushing a button. We spent more time producing reports than we ever did analyzing them. And now we're flipping that. Now we spend more time analyzing what the reports are telling us and actually creating more reports to help drive better results.
The way you plan today is very likely not going to be the way that you plan tomorrow, and the way that you plan tomorrow will not sustain you in the future. Planning analytics is the most powerful, flexible, feature-rich solution that we have come across.